Sneeze.
PM? Excuse me.
Bless. Fever?
Are we safe? Fuck.
Yeah, I'm getting out. I have to sneeze.
Alright. Let's... Not you. Excuse me. Pardon me.
I'm gonna sneeze. Oh.
Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Hold on. No! 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 Very informational. Thank you, TikTok. Sorry. Jeez.
Stand stalwart like me.
Just sneeze again.
Oh my god! I'd say it's about average. Well.
Okay, fill up the water. Sorry, I forgot that I literally have the microphone right there. Would I ever buy a laundromat business? No. Oh my god, you ever get like your entire body just gets taken over by a sneeze?